Hey, today I'll show you very quickly how to create a brand new fresh Gmail account, Google account. So what you have to do, open an internet browser like Google Chrome, Safari, Microsoft Edge or however and search for accounts.google.com. You'll also have this link in the description of this video. Once you are on this page, press on create a new account. For my personal use, enter your first name, as an example Alex, last name Smith, okay, just optional. Next, enter here your birthday information, January 20, 1990, gender male. Press on next after that. Select create a Gmail address if you want to create a brand new Gmail address, okay? Select next and now try to compose your Gmail address as you'd like to. As an example, Alex Smith, of course, is taken. Let's try 1931. Let's see if this one works. Press on next. No, it's taken. 38 maybe? Oh my god, come on. Okay, this one works. Type your password twice here, the same password, and after that press next. Recovery email address is just optional. You can skip this step. And the phone number. Sometimes Google allows you to skip this. Sometimes you really have to type a phone number and they will send you a verification code to that number and you will have to type it back. If you can skip this step. And I think this is the final one. This is about ads and personalizing your experience. I will just choose the first one as it's much faster. Read all the terms and conditions and you can accept them here down below and press one more time on confirm. Alright, read all this and press on I agree and we just created our Gmail address. If we go on Gmail mail, here we can sign in into our account and I think I am already signed in. Turn off smart features, yes, turn off, and once again turn off these features and I just created a brand new Gmail account, Google account. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a great day.